Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss the top 6 folding bikes of 2023 to make your decision easier. If you enjoy this video, then subscribe to the channel, which would be fabulous. Make sure to check out the description below for more information and latest pricing. Zizzo Urbano. This is one of the latest models of the Zizzo line and was released in the year 2021. It is perfect balance between its price, performance, and reliability, and it has built on all the learnings and developments of previous models. It is built around a light-weighted aluminum alloy frame, complemented by a Shimano Altus 8-speed drivetrain and 20-inch double-wall rims paired with a light multi-terrain tire. As with all Zizzo bikes, it folds away easily and conveniently as well, folding the Urbano up to 45 seconds. Another great feature is that its adjustable stems, which make the Urbano suitable for riders that are ranging from 5 to 6 foot 4 inches in height. There were a few drawbacks such as the saddles and folding pedals, which come as standard, although adequate and could benefit from being upgraded to a quick release pedal and a more comfortable saddle, especially for longer rides. Heybike Mars. This electric folding bike boasts a remarkable 500-watt motor, so you can easily tackle almost any terrain. Other noteworthy features of this e-bike includes a 20-inch by 4-inch puncture-resistant fat tire, 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, dual shock absorbers, and 3 riding modes, 10 miles per hour. The low-power mode is suitable if you want to conserve battery power or ride at low speeds. 10 to 15 miles per hour, a good compromise between riding speed and managing battery life. 15 to 20 miles per hour. This is the mode which is most often used when riding the Heybike Mars, and that the bike could comfortably sustain 20 miles per hour when riding on flat, smooth terrain such as bike paths and commuting in the city. It can travel up to 37 miles unassisted and is suitable for cyclists between 5'2" and 6'5" in height. The 500-watt motor, although robust enough for most situations, did struggle at times on very steep climbs, especially when off-road and bumpier terrain. Brompton A Line. This is the most affordable bicycle that the company provides. Perhaps it's the only folding bike at its price point that can fit in all the bus seats and even under your work desk because of its highly compact folding dimension. It's specially designed for a daily commuting in the urban city. It allows you to travel efficiently from point A to point B. This collapsible bike has a steel frame, but the overall weight is very low. It weighs only 23.1 pounds, so you can easily carry the bike if you want to take it into public transportation. This is equipped with a 3-speed drivetrain and Travel Marathon racer tires with puncture resistance. It features the A-Line caliper to ensure an excellent stopping power, and Brompton's signature composite hinges clamp levers for quick foldings. You can easily fold this bike within just 10 seconds with ease, which comes in handy while hopping on a public transport. The mid-rise handlebars keeps the riders upright for comfortable cycling experiments. Some optional accessories such as the mud guards and a front carrier are available. You can easily purchase them separately. The only downside of the A-Line model is that it comes in just one color, a glossy white. Heybike Ranger. This is an exception with all-terrain fat tires, a high payload capacity, and a robust rear rack. Naturally, making things more durable and dependable comes at a higher price. As a result, from the e-bike company, it is not a budget-friendly model, given its price. Nonetheless, the bike represents excellent value for money, and with a number of appealing features and upmarket specification settings itself apart from the budget-oriented, run-of-the-mill e-bike. This fat tire wheeler features a step-through frame and folding construction as well as 20-inch by 4-inch knobby fat tires. Given its overall proportions, the Ranger is suitable for riders ranging in height from 5'3" to 6'3", 161 centimeters and 192 centimeters. It isn't exactly a featherweight, weighing at 32 kilograms, with the battery pack alone tipping the scales at 10.5 kilograms. It does make up for its heft with an impressive payload capacity of up to 150 kilograms. In terms of battery tech, it has a huge 48-volt, 15-amp-hour battery that provides a range of up to 48 miles in pedal assist mode. As a result, the Ranger is a very dependable bike that can help you with your regular commutes and the off-road adventure. The battery takes about 5 to 6 hours to fully charge. In addition to that, it is fitted with 500 watts brushless hub motor that can propel it to the top speed of 28 miles per hour. The speed limit is in the place due to the fact that it's Class 3 e-bike. It also has a front suspension fork, a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, a rear rack, and a front attachment that allows you to add a rack or basket. Furthermore, an easy-to-operate 2-step folding mechanism allows you to quickly load the bike into the back of a van, SUV, or pickup truck. Brompton C Line Explorer. This has a wide-range 6-speed drivetrain that combines a 3-speed Sturmey Archer hub and a 2-speed derailleur. This means that 3 big gear changes are taken care of by an internal hub in the rear wheel, and each has a high and low setting controlled by a derailleur. The same method as the gears on most bikes. The bike arrives folded in a cardboard box, and you only have to install the saddle on the seat, using the supplied Allen key. Once this is in place, the bike is ready to be unfolded. The folding bike has a durable all-steel frame made from precision-drawn heat-treated steel tubing, with hand brazing and selected auto-brazed joints. The main frame, rear triangle, and fork are all made from hand-brazed steel, making it capable of holding a total rider weight of 110 kilograms or 242 pounds, including luggage. The tires provide a comfortable ride on smooth surfaces, but send jarring vibrations through the handlebars on rough surfaces and sidewalks. The suspension block makes these bumps lessened in the rear end, but still aren't eliminated completely. If you're looking for a great commuter bike that's durable, portable enough to bring on public transportation, and equipped for all weather riding conditions with fenders, then this can be stored under a desk at the office in the corner of a home, which this bike is for you. SOHOO. This electric bike is the perfect combination of luxury and power. It has a top speed of around 28 miles per hour with a range of within 30 to 40 miles. This provides a 48-volt 16-amp-hour removable anti-theft lithium battery for long usage periods, a 48-volt 750-watt 1325 peak-watt rear drive motor, and an intelligent M5 LCD display. The bike also has 4 working modes: walk, throttle, pedal assist, and regular bicycle mode, and these modes can be used as per your convenience. The bike also has a Shimano 7S drivetrain for accurate and smooth shiftings, an integrated headlight, a rear light, and a braking power shutdown system for any situation. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.